In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a scatter plot graph in Microsoft Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get a blank worksheet ready. A scatter plot, also called an XY scatter chart, is used to show the relationship between two numerical variables. This makes it especially useful when you want to spot trends, see whether two values are correlated, identify clusters in your data, or notice any outliers. One important thing to remember is that, unlike a line chart, both the horizontal axis and the vertical axis in a scatter plot are based on numeric values. For this example, we'll use a simple data set showing hours studied and exam score. The values are as follows: 1 and 55, 2 and 60, 3 and 65, 4 and 78, 6 and 85, 7 and 90, 8 and 94, 9 and 97, and 10 and 99. This is a great sample because it clearly shows how one variable can increase as the other increases. Now enter your data into the worksheet. Place your X values, which are the independent variable, in the first column. In this case, that will be hours studied. Then place your Y values, or dependent variable, in the second column, which will be exam score. Keeping the data in two clean columns helps Excel correctly interpret it when building the chart. Once your data is entered, select the full data range. In this example, that would be cells A1 through B11. Make sure you include the column headings as well, because that helps Excel use those labels in the chart. Next, go to the Insert tab, find the Charts section, and click Scatter, which may also appear as Scatter XY. From the chart options, choose Scatter with only markers. Excel will immediately create a scatter plot, displaying each pair of values as a separate dot. This gives you a clear visual of the relationship between study time and exam performance. After the chart appears, click the chart title and replace it with Hours Studied versus Exam Score. A clear title makes the chart easier to understand at a glance. Then add axis titles. Go to Chart Design, choose Add Chart Element, and then select Axis Titles. For the horizontal axis, enter Hours Studied. For the vertical axis, enter Exam Score. Axis titles are a small detail, but they make your chart much more professional and easier to read. Finally, if you want to improve the appearance of the chart, right-click any marker and choose Format Data Series. From there, you can change the marker size, color, shape, and even add borders. Formatting helps emphasize your data and can make the chart more visually polished while still keeping it easy to interpret.